This is Abhiram Paul with SS Multimedia. Our objective for today is multiplication comparison. Multiplication comparison. So let's get started. As you can see here, we have a multiplication word sentence. Now, a multiplication word sentence is when you convert a multiplication equation, like 6 times 6, into a sentence. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you're going to do that. So as you can see here, we have 24 is 6 times as many as 4. Now, what I want to do is I want to put this into a multiplication equation. So how we're going to do that is we're going to look at our first number, 24. Let's write 24 down. 24. Now, whenever it says is, we always have to remember that is equal to the equal sign. So 24 is 24 equal sign 6 times, for the multiplication sign, times as many as 4. As many as 4. So this is a multiplication equation. What we did here is we converted a multiplication word sentence into a multiplication equation. So whenever your teacher writes this, I advise you to look at these numbers. So the first number she writes is the first number you're going to put down. If she writes is, always remember that it equals to the equal sign. And then 6 times the multiplication sign and 4. My advice to you is put on a scratch paper or in a sticky note that is equal to the equal sign, because sometimes we forget and we write 24 6 times 4. That's sometimes what we write. So I advise you to put is on a sticky note and keep it in your desk, or like try to memorize that is equal to the equal sign. Let's move on to our next example here. 18 equals 6 times 3. Now, for this equation, we have to write a multiplication word sentence. So then our first number here, like we did in this example, we looked at the first number. We're also going to do that for this example too. So our first number is 18, and always remember the equal sign equals is. So 18 equals, or 18 is 6 times, you don't not want to write a multiplication word sentence like this, or else it's considered wrong because you're trying to do a word sentence. So 18 is 6 times as many as, what number do we have here? We have 3. So this is a multiplication word sentence. We converted a multiplication equation to word sentence. Let's move on to our next example. Here, we do not have any numbers. All we have is drawings. And the problem asks you to do, write this example as a multiplication equation, not a multiplication sentence equation. So let's see how many total number of squares we have here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in total, we have 15 squares. Now, we're not going to put the is sign because we're not going to write is because it's asking us to do an equation, not a word sentence. So we're just going to put equal sign. So 15 equals, how many squares we have here? We have 3. So 15 equals 3 times, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. So 15 is equal to, 15 equals 3 times as many as 5, whereas the equation is 15 equals 3 times 5. Let me get rid of this thing here. Okay. So yeah, that is our multiplication equation for this drawing. So whenever your teacher writes, instead of writing numbers, she does drawings, look at it closely. you always want to write the total number and what she gives you here. Let's move on to our next example. We have 36 equals 6 times 6. Now, I'm going to write this as a drawing to make it fun. So, I'm going to write 36, let's see, triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're doing 6 rows of 6 because we all know that 6 times 6 equals 36. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just double checking we have 6 rows of 6. So we drew 36. Now, we're going to draw the equal sign. So 36, because we have it up here, 36 equals 6 no, we're not going to do numbers, we're drawing. Forgot. So, we're going to do 6 triangles. So 36 equals 6. So 36 equals 6 times 6. So that's our equation here. When we drew this equation as a drawing explanation. So what we did was take this and we drew it out. So we had 36 triangles equals 6 times as many as 6. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write 49 is 49 is 7 times as many as 7. Now, after this video, I want you to try it out yourself, and comment down below what you got. What I want you to do is make it into a multiplication equation, do not draw it out, equation. So it would be like this, as we're converting this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share, and follow us on Instagram and subscribe. And please, I hope you're staying safe in this quarantine. And have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. And give us tips how we can make our videos better. And please